Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's been a day or two since I got a video out, but we just had a busy schedule. But I wanted to throw this video up to show you some stuff we've ran into and some people picked up for us, and we're going to have the channel's first real giveaway. We done a 500 subscriber giveaway several months ago, but we're going to do a giveaway on the diecast side of things first. So we'll get into that in a minute. I want to show you some stuff that I found in our area. Like I said, we finally had some luck. Our local stores have come into some things. So first off, I picked up this M2. It's not the Chase, unfortunately, but it's the M2 1964 Econoline truck. And it's hauling the Mustang in a clear-sided trailer. And we got the 1960 VW delivery, and it's not a Chase either, but it's got the 53 Beetle with it. The M2, I guess you call them haulers, I don't know. We ran into this one, the 71 breed Datsun 510 in the blue and the red. Actually, a friend of mine picked this up for me. I appreciate that. But got my hands on that. Boulevard series. Let me find them. Got several bags here. The Fast and the Furious and the Boulevard series. Alright, we got number 3 and 4. We got number 5. We got number 2. Number 1. Number 1 being the 99 Ford S150, F-150 SVT Lightning from the first movie. Car number 2, we've got the 87 Buick Regal Gnx. Very nice casting. Black on black with some more black. Car number 3 is my favorite one out of this set. It's the 77 Pontiac Firebird TA. My dad used to have one of these, except without the T-tops. When I was in high school, loved the car. Got to drive it occasionally. Car number 4 is a 68 Dodge Charger, and I don't know what's up with this casting, but the pegs are hanging full. Apparently nobody wants it. You get the same number of cars in the set. Everybody gets these cars, leaves this one. I mean, is it the engine in the rear? Is that what everybody don't like? I mean, if you're going to do a repaint or change the wheels on it, tint the back window, paint the back window, it don't matter. I mean, it's an awesome casting. And last but not least, and that is a 70 Chevrolet Nova SS. That's another nice car. All right, we also got the Boulevard, the latest Boulevard series. Looks like car 46 through 50. These are some awesome little rides. We got a 75 Datsun Bree Sunny truck. That's a mouthful. With all the racing decorations. We have got, and this is in no particular way, let's go in order. Number 47, a Land Rover Defender 90. Like I said, these are all the premium Boulevard series. Some really nice looking castings once again. 48, a 67 Austin Mini pickup. Wish it was a different color, but it's still a good looking casting. Number 49, the Lykan Hypersport. Another black on black with some more black accents, so really nice car there, casting. And last but not least, probably my favorite one out of this set, the Volvo P220 Amazon Estate. Kind of a weird looking car. I'm sure it was in real life, but nevertheless, another nice casting. Oh, sorry about that. Get the camera back in place here. Let's see. Few odds and ends, nothing there. They had this set, which I've already got. I picked up another 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 just because I like it. This one will get repainted and a tire swap done on it, wheel swap done. Hot Wheels main lines. We got into the Zamax. My buddy picked me up some and I found some. We got these here. We got the Mazda Repu. Hope I pronounced that right. We got the 20 Jeep Gladiator. And the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. says underneath it, it says 10 years of Zamac. I'm a little out of it. I don't know how. Obviously been doing them for 10 years, but someone leave a comment there if you would, what the deal is on the Zamacs and how they got started. I haven't done any research. Run into several of these trucks, picked up a couple of those again. Of course, none of them is the Super. Can't never get there on time for that. Another one of my favorite castings, the 70 Chevelle Ss Wagon. Love the color. I think they got another variation or two of this coming out as far as color this year, from what I've been able to find out. The square body 83 Silverado. One of the, to me, best looking castings they are. Of course, anybody that's watched any of my channel knows I like trucks, knows I like the square bodies, the older C10s. I'm just a truck person. Got into the 55 Chevy, found the burgundy one of those. Another good looking casting. And I never open any of these things. Maybe I should. I see a lot of other guys opening them, but I just can't. I just leave them on the shelf. Or leave them in the package and store them. This car here, I got it because of this right here. Other than that, I don't really, the Subaru SVX, don't really like it, but I tried to pick up at least one casting of everything that, you know, he had anything to do with. And that's it for that, except this. I run into, and I finally got a gold duck of my own. My buddy ran into, I found one, traded it to him. He found one, traded it back to me. And here again, it's got this on here. So I'm trying to collect, at least like I said, one of each casting of his that he's done. That's it for that, and without further ado, let's get into the giveaway. Now, the way we're going to do the giveaway, today is the 26th of May. I figured we'd run it for about a month, 26th of June. And the way what I want to do is anyone that comments on this video, that enters you in the drawing. It'd be nice if you'd like the video and share it, subscribe, that would be awesome. But anybody that enters a comment on this video between now and the in June 26th, which if I'm not mistaken is a Sunday, we will enter you in a drawing. And like I said, we're going to go for the diecast side of things. We're going to give two giveaways. We're going to do two drawings out of ever how many names. Number one, and here again, this is, we just got to get started somewhere. So this is my first one. So is a M2 71 Chevrolet Camaro. For anybody that hasn't picked this up, for anybody that has or seen it on the shelf, it's, you know, it's small, but it got to start somewhere. The first name drawn will get this. The second name drawn, and I realize the value of the two is, this one may be a little more, but the second name drawn, these are Hot Wheels, and I'm sure most people saw them. Anybody's fooled with them. It's the Hot Wheels Premium DC series. So you've got the Wonder Woman, the Green Lantern, the Superman, the Batman, and the Flash. You'll get the second name drawn. We'll get the set. This set here. So that's that. Like I said, you got till June 26th. Any names entered, leave a comment. Hey, enter me. Hey, good video. Hey, add me. I don't care what, just say something. Your names will all be put in a program, and whoever comes out number one gets the Camaro, number two gets the set. And that'll do it, folks. Like I said, short video, but I wanted to announce the giveaway. We need to do something. So this giveaway is going to be, well, anybody on the channel that watches this can enter. But we're going to go toward the diecast side first to give away some items. Then we're going to go toward the other stuff that I do and maybe try to do some kind of giveaway. It's always good to help draw attention to the channel, pass the word around. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day. And we'll see you on the next one.